Hello students, in last lecture we have learned about the constructions of similar triangle and construction of tangent to the circle. In geometric construction chapter there are only two constructions, similar triangle and tangent to the circle. Now we are going to revise this construction in problem set 4. First, there are 3 questions MCQ, multiple choice questions. We will first see them and then do some constructions in problem set. See here, first, the number of tangents that can be drawn to a circle at a point on the circle is. Number of tangents can be drawn to a circle at a point on the circle. The answer is 1. Only one and only one tangent can be drawn to the circle at the point on the circle. C is correct option. Then second question, the maximum number of tangents that can be drawn to a circle from a point outside it is. If the point is outside the circle, then from that point we can draw two tangents to the circle. These two tangent segments are congruent to each other, means option A is correct. 2. Maximum 2 tangents can be drawn to a circle from a point outside it. Now third example is, if triangle ABC similar triangle PQR and AB upon PQ is equal to 7 upon 5, two similar triangles, and the ratio of the corresponding sides is 7:5, then dash dash. The options are triangle ABC is bigger, second option is triangle PQR is bigger, C both triangles will be equal, and D cannot be decided. Here the side AB is of triangle ABC and side PQ is corresponding side of triangle PQR. The ratio of the sides or proportion is 7:5, means side AB is greater than side PQ. Therefore, triangle ABC is bigger than triangle PQR. Therefore, option A is correct option. Then, second example is, draw a circle with center O and radius 3.5 cm. तुम्हाला 3.5 सेंटीमीटरचं रेडियसचं सर्कल काढायचं आहे. टेक पॉईंट P ॲट ए डिस्टन्स 5.7 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम द सेंटर. सेंटरपासून रेडियस घ्यायची, ती रेडियस पुढे आपण वाढवली का तिच्यावरती 5.7 डिस्टन्सवरती पॉईंट P घ्यायचा. 5.7 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टन्स फ्रॉम द सेंटर. ड्रॉ tangents to the circle from point P. We have learned this type of construction. We have to draw the circle of diameter OP. For that, we first draw perpendicular bisector of OP, take midpoint M and draw the circle intersecting the first circle or original circle, and the intersecting points are the points where tangents touch to the circle, and draw the tangents to the circle. Now third example, draw any circle, take any point A on it and construct tangent at A without using the center of the circle. This is construction of tangent without using center of the circle. We have seen already this type of constructions, you can do it easily. Now fourth example, draw a circle of diameter 6.4 centimeter. Take a point R at a distance equal to its diameter from the center and draw tangents from point R. We will see this construction. See example, draw a circle of diameter 6.4 centimeter. Take a point R at a distance equal to diameter from the center. Draw tangents from point R. We will construct this construction of tangents. First, we have to take radius 6 there is diameter is given. We have given diameter 6.4. We can take the radius 3.2 centimeter. But here first we will draw diameter 6.4 centimeter and then we will draw the circle passing through the end points of this diameter. We have to take 6.4 centimeter distance in the two ends of compass. This is 6.4 centimeter distance. There is no need to take distance in the compass, but we have given diameter, so we will draw diameter here 6.4 centimeter. Now to draw circle, we will take the center of the circle. To take the center, use compass and take midpoint of this segment. This midpoint will be center of the circle. Let it be M. Now by taking M as the center, if we draw circle passing through the end points of this segment, then it is the circle of diameter 6.4 centimeter. We can take radius 3.2 centimeter, but here first we draw 6.4 centimeter diameter, and by taking midpoint we have drawn the circle of diameter 6.4 centimeter. Then they have asked, take a point R at a distance equal to diameter from the center. Now we will increase the diameter at any side like this. Now we have to take point R at a distance equal to its diameter from the center. Equal to diameter means 6.4 centimeter. This was 6.4 centimeter distance. We can take it from scale or directly from this. Now the point R is at a distance equal to 6.4 centimeter, means distance equal to diameter. That is, again this distance MR will be 6.4 centimeter. We have to draw tangents to the circle from point R. For that purpose, again we will bisect segment MR. Means to draw perpendicular bisector of segment MR, this perpendicular bisector will pass through this point on the circle, because R is at a distance equal to diameter. Means now if we take this touching point of perpendicular bisector to the circle and the radius, and draw the circle, then these two circles will be congruent because their diameters are congruent, means their radii are congruent. This is the required circle. Now if it touches original circle at this point, suppose it is point A and it is point B, then draw the lines passing through point R and this intersecting point of two circle, that is point A. Then it will be tangent, one tangent and another tangent through point B, like this. This is our construction of tangents through point R to the circle. Now next example, fifth. Draw a circle with center P. Draw an arc AB of 100-degree measure. They are not given radius of the circle, so we can draw any circle of any radius. Then draw an arc AB of 100-degree measure. Draw a tangent to the circle at point A and B. See here, we have to draw first any circle of any radius. Suppose we will take any radius, no measure is given, no radius length is given, therefore it is any circle. Now we have to take arc AB of measure 100-degree. To draw arc AB, first take any point on the circle. Suppose it is point A. This is center of the circle. Suppose O. Now the measure of the arc is measure of its central angle. Therefore we have to take the central angle of 100-degree. This is one arm of that central angle, AO. Now other arm is passing through or making 100-degree angle with this first radius or arm of the angle. Now the 100-degree measure is here, so we have to draw another arm or another radius passing through this point. This measure of central angle will be 100-degree. That means it is the arc of measure 100 degree. And this point will be point B. This is AB arc of measure 100 degree. Measure of arc is equal to measure of its central angle. Now we have to draw tangents to the circle through point A and B. Means there will be two tangents, one tangent passing through point A, another tangent passing through point B. Point A and B are present on the circle. Therefore, we have to follow the construction of tangent to the circle at point on the circle. First, we will draw tangent through point A. For that, extend this radius. Now, by taking point A as center, draw two arcs at the two sides of point A. Now bisect this segment between these 2 points. Take more than half distance. Draw here two arcs along two sides. The surface is very soft here. Then draw intersecting arcs at the same length. Now this line passing through these two intersecting points will be tangent of the circle passing through point A. This is first tangent passing through point A on the circle. Now we have to follow same procedure to draw tangent through point B. Extend this OB radius like this. Now take B as center and draw two arcs on the two sides of point B. Now draw perpendicular bisector of this segment between two arcs. Take the measure more than half. Same distance and two intersecting arcs. Now we will draw line passing through these 2 points. This will be tangent passing through point B. In this way, we have drawn here two tangents through 2 points on the circle. The condition was measure of this arc AB or measure of the central angle OAB is equal to 100 degree. Then we have follow the procedure for construction of tangents to the circle from the point on the circle. In this way, in this lecture, we have seen these two constructions and 3 MCQ examples and explain second and third construction. Now you have homework to solve examples from 1 to 5 from problem set 4. Again, the 6th, 7th and 8th examples, we will see them in next lecture. Thank you.